Halika. I-rate mo 1 to 10. Gaano ka ka-excited ngayon?
I think 9.
9.
So, bago siya maging 10, I have to be, I need to wait kung ano yung magiging result nito. So, I'll be more excited with that.
That's a beautiful question. Answer. Thank you so much, Tanko. Host to Hesto, gaano ka ka-excited sa ating event ngayon?
I'm very much excited because I will be the presenter of this event.
Thank you so much. Ito naman cameraman natin. Gaano ka ka-excited ngayon? 10 out of 10. Ayun lang, kasi excited lang ako. Excuse me, sir. Ano pong pangalan nila? Tingin po tayo sa camera.
Journal Arana po.
Okay, thank you so much. So, magtatanong ako, gaano ka ka-excited ngayon?
Excited na excited po.
Kaya mo yung ka-excited? Parang buhay pa yung mic natin. So, ayan guys, may tatanong pa tayo ng ibang Eto, may nagre-review dito. Eto, hatanong natin to. Kuya, ano pong pangalan nyo? Okay lang ba ma-interview kayo?
Sure.
Sige. Ano pong pangalan nyo?
My name is Joffrey Balanga.
Okay, so gaano po kayo ka-excited ngayong event?
Well, this is my very first time na sa magandang what do you call this occasion. So I'm very excited to showcase our province, which is the Aklan. So,
okay, thank you so much,
Joffrey.
Feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young.
Hi guys! So ito na yung finished product na nagawa ng group namin. So pwede mo bang sabihin sa amin kung ano yung nire-represent nating lalawigan or lugar?
Ang pinapresent namin ngayon is yung probinsya ng Aklan. Alam nyo ba, ang Aklan is one of the Philippines' oldest provinces located in the Western Visayas region.
Thank you so much. Ano pong pangalan nila?
Mark.
Okay, so ano po masasabi mo sa ating, ano ba yung inspiration natin sa ating niluto ngayon?
Ang inspiration natin is yung mga taong namamayan sa Aklan, yung mga tinatawag nating Aklanon. At ito yung mga masasarap na putahe nila, which is yung napili natin para ipresenta ngayon sa food festival.
Okay, thank you so much for that answer. Hi guys, so I'm here now with Jeffrey. Pwede mo ba kang sabihin sa amin kung ano yung mga niluto natin and yung mga nutritional benefits ng ating pagkain?
So we have the famous longganisa from the Aklan. This one is the longganisa. And we had the palitaw, the cassava cake, and also this longganisa can contain, per serving, it can contain 1,213 calories. It has a protein approximately 626 milligram. So that's, and our cassava cake is mostly around, it has carbohydrates, protein, and also, and yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much, Jeffrey, for that one. And then for the next one is yung trivia natin sa ating Aklan. So ngayon nalaman na natin yung history ng ating Aklan. Ngayon naman, pwede mo bang bigyan kami ng ano nga muna pala ang iyong pangalan?
Hi, my name is Vanessa.
Okay, Vanessa, pwede mo bang sabihin sa amin yung trivia about Aklan?
Oh yes, sure. Did you guys know that Aklan is our country's oldest province established in 13th century? This destination has scenic wonders of beautiful beaches, powdery white ones specifically, and mangroves and waterfalls, and it is so alive of outdoor activities.
She puts her hand in mine.
Aklan is one of the Philippines' oldest provinces located in the Western Visayas region.
Bubusigin ka namin kayo ng mga putahe mula sa Aklan.
Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. so